Hello everybody and welcome to the first section of this course. We will be making a forum that consists of a login page, a registration system, creating posts system, displaying them, and a main page for the forum. So here is the login page. If you have an account, you can log in here. We're going to register. Let's type the mud and the credential that we want and click submit. It referred you or redirected you to the login page. So we will log in using the credentials that we registered and click submit. In here is the forum main page, and currently it's listing no posts because there are no posts yet. Let's create a new post. Let's go ahead and give it a title. Let's say test, okay? And let's say in the description, this is a test, and click submit. See, it referred you to the forum.php, and it listed the posts in the database and showed them or displayed them in the browser. So if you click on this test post made by the mud, which is the username I created, you're actually gonna see the post title, the poster, and the post description. So we will be just making all of these in this course. Thanks for watching.